This is an unboxing of a Lenovo P14 Gen 5. P14s Gen 5. Just the power adapter, a 65-watt USB-C, some papers, okay. All right, let's just go over the ports. So we've got two USB-C, full-size HDMI, a USB-A, a combo audio port. This is different for this year. It's a much bigger kind of lift tab. And a SIM card option slot. Mine doesn't have it on this model. Full-size Ethernet here. Another USB-A Kensington lock slot. And the fans on the back. Then on the bottom, looks like different fan ports down here too. There's usually a reset hole somewhere on here. Right there. That's how it looks from the top. And then let's take a look inside. So the privacy switch up here for the webcam with the dual mics. And on the keyboard, it was the same touchpad. Track point there. Speakers on the side, but I think now they have the Copilot button. I think it kind of doubles as the context menu button too. And I don't really see any other changes, so that is it.